Hi, Dr. Rice here again with a tip for how to edit or set up your running head for an APA formatted paper. This is a template of an APA formatted paper that I provide to you as my student. And so in this example, I'm going to show you how to simply edit this template. Now you'll notice that the font up here in the header section is a little bit grayed out compared to the font here in the title page. That just means that you can't click on this and with a single click to edit it. You have to double click it. So once you do that, then you'll see that you can select it, you can type, you can do anything else you would normally do in a Word document. Now, the part of this that you need to change or edit is the all caps portion, and it needs to be the title of your particular paper. So notice that it's in all caps, and all you need to do is select it and then type in your paper's title. Okay, once you have that, that's all you have to do. You can click this close header and footer button. And I'll show you another way that you can close it, which is to just double click somewhere outside of the header section, and you'll have the same effect. Okay, that's done. That's how to do it when you're editing a formatted paper. Let me show you real quickly how to set it up from a fresh document. Okay, so when you're ready to insert the header, you click Insert on your ribbon and go over to this header button. Click that and a drop-down box will appear, and then choose the blank setup. Okay, once you have that, you will type in running head, colon, and a space. Then turn on your caps lock and put your title of your paper in all capitals. Okay. Once you have that done, notice on my ruler here, I've got a couple of black marks which stand for tab settings. Okay, this is a center tab, and this is a right tab. If you're not seeing your ruler, you have to go to View. Make sure that this ruler box is checked. Okay, so once you have that on, come back down here, and now you'll see that you've got a ruler. You may or may not have these tabs already. My default shows these when I open a new document. At any point, in any case, you're going to want to hit the tab button, and notice that because my cursor of the text was already past where this tab was set, that it took me automatically over to where this next tab is set on the page. If I didn't have a tab set, it would take me by ½ increments across the rest of that line. But I have a right tab, so I've hit tab, I've gone over there, and now I need to insert my page number. So I'm still on the insert tab ribbon, and I'm hitting page number. I'm going to choose current position, plain number, and notice it pops a 1 in there for me. Now, I'm going to go back, or double click rather, outside of this to close my header. I'm going to scroll down here, put a few more returns in, and hit Control Enter to make another page, just to show you that the page number will automatically populate there for you as you go through. Okay, so that's how you add a running head with a page number to an APA form.